It's very important for board exam. Now see, this is a board hand. Here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Here we are placing two charges, 2 point charges, q1 and q2. At separated by distance AB. 2 point charges, very small point charges placed at distance AB in the coordinate, in the xy coordinate, and position vectors r1 and r2 respectively. So what is the force of attraction between them? We calculate. The force on charge q1 here r21. This is what vectors leading from q1 to q2. This is vectors leading from q1 to q2. Now study the force on q1 due to q2. How to write force on q1 due to force on q2 due to q1. This direction. This one you have to find. First time directly, let us consider q1 and q2. q1 and q2, 2 point charges. 2 point charges separated by distance AB. Distance AB. R1 and R2. R1 and R2 are position vectors respectively. Position vectors respectively. Here R21 indicates, vector R21 indicates vector leading from q1 to q2. q1 to q2. Similarly, this is what? Similarly, position vector leading from 1 to 2. Vector leading from q2 to q1. These two are R1 and R21. They are equal in magnitude, but opposite direction. Equal in magnitude, opposite direction. The unit vector is not represented. How to write this unit vector? Mathematically reading this one, unit vector. This one how to write? R21 cap divided by magnitude of R21. Now, force on Q1. Force on Q1 due to Q2 is given as K into Q1 into Q2 divided by R12 into square into R12 cap. This is what vector form. This is simple form like K into Q1 into Q2 divided by R12 vector square into this is efficiently R21 divided by magnitude of R21. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Q2 divided by R12 whole square R21 vector ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು R1 minus R2 ಇದನ್ನು KQ1 into Q2 divided by R1 minus R2 whole square into R21 divided by R1 into R2. This much. This one. Is direct last expression is F21 is equal to K Q1 into Q2 divided by R2 minus R1 whole cube into R2 minus R1. That is between coulombs and universal law of gravitation. So coulombs according to coulombs are what? F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. Inverse law ಏನಂತ Fg is equal to G into M1 into M2 divided by D square. Here Q1 and Q2 is what? Point charges. Here M1 and M2 is mass of the object. D is distance. Here also distance. Similarities. We will ask again similarities. Two laws here. Tell support force of attraction between them. Then both obeys inverse square law. Inverse square law is F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Then what is the difference? If force of attraction is point charge medium difference. Medium change direct change. It depends on medium. It does not depend on medium. Coulomb force. F is coulomb. It depends on medium. Fg does not depend on medium. Just to know the values, we will calculate relation between a ratio of Fg and Fc. Fc is what? Coulomb force. To know that, we have to know the value. What is the Q1 and Q2? Here let us say here Q1 and Q2 is equal to very fundamental term, that is what? E. That is what E value? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 94. Q1. M1 and M2. Let us take two charges same only. That what is the value? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 1 minus 31 kg. K value we know. K value. What is the K value? 9 into 10 to the power 9. Newton meter square by Coulomb square. G value. Here the last value. G value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of proton value 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27. ಈ values calculate ಮಾಡಿ relation between electrostatic force and gravitational force you have to calculate. How to find it? What is the relation there? Look at it. Fe means electrostatic force. Ratio of Fe by Fe. You are the relation. Fe means what? Electrostatic force. F and the polar. And Fe means electrostatic force. Hg means what? Universal law of gravitational force. Okay. So you have to find these two ratios. Fe by Fg. Here both are same distance. Let us assume both are same distance. This one cancel this one. K into Q1 into Q2 divided by G into M1 into M2. K 9 into 10 to the power 9. Right? K1 Q1 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Let us take both similar charge, same charge. So 1.6 same thing only. If I write one more time, is what it become double square. Q1 into Q2 same as Q1 into Q2. Q1 square same as charge same as Q1 is equal to Q2. Then Q into Q into Q square. Same M1 into M2. So M into M square. That is G value is to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into M value is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. 31. Make it 31. Now simplify. 9 into 10 to the power 9. 1.6. What is square of 16? 2.56. 16 square you know square 2.56 into this 10 to the power minus 38 divided by 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into this 81. Let us take approximate value 9.9 square 81 into 10 to the power minus 62. If you all simplify, you get 10 to the power 42 times Fg. You never simplify this one. Fg is equal to 10 to the power 42 times Fg. So electrostatic force ಮತ್ತೆ gravitational force ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ 10 to the power 42 times. Electrostatic force is 10 to the power 42 times Fg. This one only you remember. No need to calculate this. Okay, understood. Great. Question. Divided into one point charge. Divided into a point charge in two. That's point charge in two parts. When we separating the two parts, separating the two parts, we will experience the maximum electrostatic force between them. The maximum electrostatic force between them. Find the two charges. See here, what is the relation? ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಐತೆ. ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Let us take two parts of charges separated by distance r. One charge full charge q ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಂದು full charge q ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ two parts ಮಾಡಿ. one part x ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು part ಏನಿದೆ? x. ಟೋಟಲ್ part q ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದರ ಒಂದು part x ಅಂತ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. q minus x. Yes, very good. ಇದೇನಿದೆ? q minus x separated by distance r. So this separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ charges or ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So according to now apply coulomb's law. What is coulomb's law? K into q1 into q2 divided by r square. Yeah, this one I take as q1, this one take as q2. q1 x into q2 q minus x divided by k into this one divided by r square. Now one more condition. ಈ ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ maximum electrostatic force exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು maximum electrostatic force ಯಾವಾಗ exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ನ 0 ಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ direction of force with respect to x is equal to x into kx into I'll multiply this inside kx into q kx q right k into minus k into x k into x square kx k constant x into x kx square divided by answer ಏನಂತಿದೆ kx into q kx q minus k into k x into x x square kx square understood. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now differentiation df by dx is equal to what is the differentiation of x with respect to x? Differentiation of x with respect to x. Differentiation of x with respect to x. X is the differentiation of x with respect to x.
Nx n1.
Here ಏನಂತ 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. Yeah.
0.
0 power. Any number to the power 0 is what? 1. Any number to the power 1 is 0 is value 1. So differentiation of x is what? Differentiation of x is exactly 1. Differentiation of x is 1. So tere ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. So kq minus differentiation of constant differentiation of x square differentiation of x square
x
2x divided by r square. So slope ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 0 ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is equal to 0 kq minus 2kx divided by r square is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 0 into r square 0 into anything is what 0. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ kq minus 2kx is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 0 into 0 into is 0. So kq is equal to minus plus 2kx k get cancel. This one to this consistent is q by 2 x is equal to what q by 2. So x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು q by 2 ಇದು q by 2 ಇದೆ q minus q by 2 ಇದನ್ನು q by 2. What are the two charges q by 2 and q by 2. X is equal to q by 2 q minus x by 2 q minus x means q by 2 q minus q by 2 q by 2 and take it. Coulomb's law applicable applies only charges at rest. Charges at rest. If both charges in motion not applicable. ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ at rest other charge motion other charge in motion applicable. In this case applicable. Only two charges are motion is not applicable. Up to now I studied ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಾವು two charges ಸಿಗಬಹುದು. If more than two charges are available for Coulomb's law apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If only two charges are Coulomb's law direct apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, two charges are given. More than two charges are, for example q1 q2 q3 three charges are you can apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So in this case you study principle of superposition that one will study tomorrow up to this.